The length of the animation is set here, and it's currently set to 10 seconds. The play button starts the animation and the pause is right next to it. This yellow bar indicates the progress of the animation. It just started, is now at 5 seconds, has gone 6 seconds. The current selected layer is indicated by this white bar, and I can click it to bring up the animation control. It's currently set for animate in and stay in. Clicking this arrow brings up animate in and animate out. I can drag it to change the start time as well as the duration. More controls are found under the Animate button. Note that start delay, duration, and animate out pause are shared with the timer bar. Let's set it to slide right. We'll add some zoom, and instead of reversing, we're going to continue. If I change placement to falling effect, there's a whole new set of controls in the animation menu. The best way to learn these is just to mess around and try them out. Finally, when you have a group of items, it's nice if they can animate staggered instead of all together. You can do this with group mode. And increase the stagger amount.